We are watching right now Phunware. Take a look at the price action. Wow, what a rally, more than 500%.
What is going on, guys? Let us know below in the comments your thoughts about this last price action. Remember to read the disclaimer right here. And welcome to Trading HT. Thanks for subscribing. Let's get started with this amazing price action because this is completely crazy.
Wow, and the key question here is like, will it hold, because something has happened right here. We have some news right here I'm gonna show you, and take a look at that, Is it justified this upturn because of this?
Exactly. What do you think? We're gonna start debate from there in the comments. Do you think this is just, like the main reason? Obviously, it is related, but do you think there are another reason behind it? Why is this happening? Because let's go back to the chart very fast. This price action is completely crazy. We have this upside movement that started the 16th of January. Let's see the exact percentage of this movement, 521% more or less. And from there, we have this drop to the downside, 1 hour candle, just 1 hour, but the movement is minus 68%, more or less. This is crazy, 1 hour candle of minus 68%. This movement to the upside volatility, completely insane.
Okay, so some traders were started accumulating right here. You can clearly see that the price action was like something neutral, and it's like the people started to buy right here. They created this move, obviously. So when this is like an upturn like this, these guys, I'm pretty sure they are thinking, okay, when to sell, because I have more than 500% right here in my hands. But obviously, as soon if the upturn continues, you don't have any reason to sell at the moment.
Yeah, it's as usual difficult decisions because when you have these huge percentages, obviously if you bought at lower levels, for instance 7 cents, we're talking about 500%, nice profit. But sometimes you saw similar stocks continuing going even higher to even crazier percentages. But you never know. That's why we always recommend to diversify, to have different risk management strategies, and having that trading plan very clear. And trading in the zone is key in this aspect. But what do you think is the important factor right there, guys? Let us know below in the comments. Why do you think this is a buy, or why do you think this is a sell? And the reasons, I think are the important thing, because everyone knows to say buy or sell based on hype, but why is the important thing, because you can learn from that.
Exactly, very risky trades right here. Let's take a look at the fundamentals because that's something that I have to show you. But just before that, we have the newsletter right here for you. Subscribe and get some trading deals that we have, and also incredible educational content that we are creating specifically for the newsletter, the official newsletter of Trading HT.
Welcome, guys. Thank you very much. Become an honest trader and use those affiliate links, and you can help us also. Thank you very much.
So let's take a look at the fundamentals right here, because obviously what I'm trying to tell you guys is like, this stock is not an easy one. We have negative net income in this particular stock, and the hype, okay, is there, but if reality comes through, it should go down according to this data. Actually, it was trading, at 0.07. So and it was trading because it was like experiencing losses, and the stock market is like this, like the high thing is one thing, and the reality, the net income, is one another.
Yeah, this is a very clear example of where sometimes you don't see that correlation at all. So in this case, this last movement, 500%, do you think it will hold? Do you think it will go lower from here? Let us know in the comments that. That being said, let's go with the forecast, because we have just 4 analysts, not a lot, but we have some of them, and I think it's interesting to comment it when we have at least more than one.
Well, take a look at that. They recorded a strong buy, to 150, like the maximum estimation, and the average 0.77. This is very interesting.
Yeah, it's very interesting, because as you mentioned, like the fundamentals tell a different story. Maybe we don't know something that they know. I mean, we are not analyzing the same data. We don't have the same perspective, but that maximum one is a lot, 230%. Then the average 71%, and the lowest one minus 67%. I think this is just something to take into account, and to see that no one knows the future, because obviously the maximum and the lower one are completely different, and maybe both of them have the same information.
Now, I'm surprised about that analysts normally they are more cautious about this. Like when they analyze a stock that is in losses, they tend to be like more pessimistic. But here is quite the opposite.
Yeah, it's very interesting. What do you think about it, guys? What do you think could be the reasons behind it? Everything you want to share with us about this stock or similar ones, we're going to read those comments. Very interesting. And let's see, lastly, the 1 minute chart, because I think it's very interesting to see. Let's see the moment when this started, when the market got crazy.
The
And,
craziness.
and we had this movement right there. Very, wow. This first candle of 1 minute, 46%. 46% in 1 minute. What do you think about it?
Yeah, this extended hours. So obviously, this move was like when the news was when it was released, and look at that. Wow, and the correction also is
Yeah.
important, like a correction of minus 36% in just the following minutes. And the move it all started right there. This is how a huge hype and uptrend is created, and this is like the best example of it.
Yeah, and also let's talk about it very fast. Price action, pure price action right here. I am in the 16th of January, the 1 minute chart also. Can you see it, Alvaro? Right here, the vertical line.
Let's take a look at it. Yeah, I can see it.
Okay, so we had this kind of uptrend right there. You can see this kind of support level being respected multiple times right here. And, this breakout was completely
Wow.
insane and very fast. And from there, that's why sometimes, we recommend like to have very, very clear your price action, your trading plan, and also the risk management. Because in this case, maybe you were buying around those levels, but in a couple of minutes, we're talking about the drop in the price of more than 50%. That's completely crazy, So I don't think this stock is for everyone.
Yeah, it's a very risky one, and actually, I'm very surprised because that correction was insane. But then again, bullish traders started to buy the stock, and they created this second one uptrend that we have right here, and
Mhm.
another correction. Like the second one should be like
Yeah,
even more, crazy because it's like, okay, this is the second time it happens. Maybe it's this time, to get that out of here. And look at that. Look at what happened after.
yeah, exactly. And then we have the price at the exact same level as the previous last drop, 46 cents more or less. Very crazy. This stock is completely nuts. We have the roller coaster right here. We could analyze this with more detail in the intraday or something like that. If you enjoyed this part, let us know in the comments. And also, in order to finish the video, what do you think? This is a question that I send you. Do you think that this level will act again at this as this type of top, and the price will drop again that 50% or something crazy? Or do you think we will have this breakout above this level and we will see higher prices? I think that's a very interesting topic to talk about.
Yeah, this is like a key level right here, 0.48. Thank you guys very much. Remember to subscribe, and also we have more videos coming up very soon.